Hello again. My name is Olivia Green. I'm 22 years old and I live in LA. If you're new, welcome. I saw a couple comments on my last video, which made me so happy. So if you commented, I saw you. I really appreciate it. I know in my last video I said I was gonna be posting vlogs every other week, but YouTube is too fun, so we're gonna do every week. Yes, I know that sounds crazy. It's probably gonna be a little hard, but I'm excited, and I hope you are too. Today, it's Thursday, May 14th. My birthday is May 27th, and this month has just been flying by. My birthday's like around the corner. It's 2:30, and I thought I would do a little afternoon, evening in my life. I love my morning routine, and I will definitely make a designated video on all of my morning rituals. But my wind down, my nighttime, all of that is equally important. So we're doing that today. I'm getting ready to go to the best Pilates studio in LA for an afternoon workout. And if you watched the last vlog, you know where I'm going. I want to grab a juice before I go to Pilates. Actually, my other vlog, I think I talked about this, but I recently tried the Erewhon orange carrot juice and it was actually so good. So I want to see if this juice place has something like that. This is a place I've never been before. It's on Ventura Boulevard. It's called Royalty Juice Bar. I just got my juice from Royalty Juice Bar. The workers in there were so sweet. I ordered a small and he gave me like a medium. He's so kind. He was like a little extra. I'm like, oh my gosh. And the juice is delicious. I got the bloody orange, which has orange, beet, kale, celery, carrot, lemon, apple, and ginger. So it has that orangey apple carrot taste I was looking for, but it's so good. They also made it right there in front of me fresh with fresh vegetables and fruit. So we'll definitely be back. Back from Pilates and it's dinner time. I normally do HelloFresh. My mom put me on actually, and it's been life-changing. I have been learning how to cook new things. I don't have to think about what I want to cook and like go to the grocery store. Everything gets delivered. It's so nice, and it's actually, in my opinion, it's a pretty fair price. Mine is $65 a week, and that's 2 meals, 2 servings. So since it's just me eating it, that's 4 meals for $65, and I'm learning how to cook something new, and it's the convenience of not having to go to the grocery store. I think it's worth it, and I think I'd be spending around the same at the grocery store. Anyways, I forgot to pick my meals last week, and this looks delicious. It's like edamame stir fry with some aioli. But I really wanted protein, so I think I'm going to make some salmon on the side, so I'm not just having like vegetables and rice. I mean, I could eat that all day long, don't get me wrong, but trying to get a little protein in. Got this Trader Joe's filet. I'm making salmon bites tonight. I used to make this all the time, actually. Salmon is my favorite source of protein, my favorite fish, my favorite everything. But I haven't made this in so long. What I'm doing is just cutting the salmon into bite-sized pieces. I don't think I should be cutting it on the pan, but I really don't want to use my cutting board because, I don't know, like raw fish on the cutting board sounds like a lot. This is probably not like the prettiest technique. Okay, so the salmon is in these little bite-sized bites. Now what I'm gonna do, and obviously you can use a cutting board, I'm gonna get another pan, just because it'll be easier to clean this way. Some tin foil down. I actually normally make this in the air fryer, but I don't feel like getting my air fryer out. It's stored. So I'm gonna try it in the oven and see how it works. I always use tin foil when I'm cooking fish, because it's so much easier to clean the pan. For seasoning the salmon, this is everything I'm gonna use. Japanese barbecue sauce for like a teriyaki feel. My sister put me onto this. It is so delicious. Worcestershire sauce, this plus ground paprika seasoning on the salmon is my secret to seasoning salmon. It's funny because I literally tell my boyfriend all the time, I'm like, oh, it's my secret like ingredient, and he doesn't even know it's these two. Anyways, Lowry sea salt or seasoned salt, pepper, and I probably won't use this since I'm using that. I don't really have a particular order. I just kind of put it all on. I'm so excited that people are watching my YouTube videos and liking them. Like legit, like pressing the thumbs up, but also like commenting and saying that they're enjoying it. Like that makes me so excited and so happy. And a couple people commented and it literally like made me so excited. I get excited when my sister texts me and is like, your video is really cool, or like, I liked your video. And so when people I don't even know say that, I'm like, I used to be obsessed, or I still am, with Mr. Yoshida sauce. Like, I don't even know if that's like a known thing, but me and my sister grew up on that. Some of our like childhood friends used to use it and they put us on, and we've been using it ever since. So when I moved to LA, that's all I bought, Mr. Yoshida. And I think it's like getting discontinued because I looked it up on Amazon because I couldn't find it in the store. I looked it up on Amazon and it was like $40, and I'm like, what? Anyways, I went into a panic and I was like, Naomi, my sister, I was like, what am I gonna put on my salmon, on my rice, my anything? She's like, okay, just try this, like, trust me, he'll be okay. I'm just saying, it is okay. Okay, this is all drizzled up now. Just gonna swish it around. I think that shall suffice. I'm gonna put that over here while I wait for the oven to heat up. One thing you should know about me is I am not very good at following directions, so I'm really gonna need to lock in for this. Like, I don't know what it is, whether I'm building something, writing an essay. I vividly remember in high school, one time I had to write an essay, and I think it was like maximum, I'm not joking you, like 2 pages or something. I wrote like 14 pages long. I was into it. And I was telling my mom about it. I'm like, read this. I go back to class, the teacher has it all scribbled out, all this. She's like, what? Anyways, I say that because I've made these meals before and it'll literally say like 1 cup of water. I just go take it upon myself and put like 2 cups, and it's just like, I don't understand why you can't follow simple instructions, so I need to lock in. This is how the HelloFresh ingredients come, and they have everything all packaged up in the portions you need. Got the rice going. Starting by sauteing the zucchini, since this will take the longest. And then over here we have the cabbage mix. I'm gonna rinse that off. Edamame that I'm gonna throw in the stir fry, and then scallions, green and white. I'm a little too beginner for scallions. I don't, like, they taste good and all. I don't really understand. I mean, honestly, this is the first time I've ever cut them right. Like, they finally were circles. I just added in the cabbage and edamame. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, here's the final product. I put in, let's see what sauces they had. Sweet soy glaze and chili sauce in here, and then I made like a spicy mayo. My salmon bites look delicious. Please ignore how it's literally black and burnt at the bottom, but the actual bites, look at those. Rice is done. Wow. This is beautiful and I'm so excited to eat. Yum. Okay, so I just took a bite of like the HelloFresh part. That is delicious. Wow. Now my part. I killed that. Yep, I will be devouring this. Gotta go. Because there's no way I just devoured this and completely forgot about the spicy mayo and scallions. I can't. The kitchen is clean now. I have a candle going. My leftovers are ready to go. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I am like best friends with my little cousin Preston. He's literally been my bestie since he was born. And so when I posted my back to YouTube vlog last week, I was like, Preston, like obviously I was like, if anybody's gonna watch this, I can count on him to watch, comment, like, and love it. So I tell him, I'm like, please watch my video. And he wants a shout out. So shout out, Preston. I love you. I'll see you soon. Look at this photo he sent me the other day. You text me and he says hello. And he has braces. This is how I like to get the vibe set up before I even get in the shower, so that when I'm out, it's all nice and cozy and clean. Also, look at my bed. I cannot wait to get in. I just got out the shower. Best feeling ever. I absolutely lathered my body in both of these. These are my favorite. It's the EOS Cashmere Body Lotion, and then I use the EOS Cashmere Body Oil. These two together, I put them on every single time I get out the shower. What I do is I take the lotion, squeeze it in my hand. Before I put it on, I have the lotion in my hand, put it in, then I mix it up, and I put it all over. I'm out of like all my skincare. I need to go to Sephora and maybe Ulta this weekend and stock up. Maybe I'll do like a TikTok video of what's empty, because if I'm actually rebuying something, it does something. I don't just buy to buy. I also never filled you in on my Pilates class. It was so good. I went to a new instructor. In my last vlog, I mentioned how my two favorite instructors are Brittany and Savannah. This is what I mean when I say I'm out of everything. I can't even get any oil. Is there even any left? Anyways, I went to Sophia's class today, and I had never been to her class before, and it was just so good. I feel like the thing about obliques is you can't really go wrong with an instructor. I mean, they're all great. The overall vibe is just amazing, but I actually really liked her class, and I think I'm going to add it into my rotation because she does a time that works really well for my schedule. And she did a ton of oblique work. Like the other classes, they have obviously oblique work because it's obliques, but like there was a lot in her class, and I talked to her after, and she was saying how like she actually like makes sure to do a big oblique series. So that was really, really nice. Tretinoin. I had really bad acne in high school. I actually did Accutane, and I recently just tried to stop using tretinoin. No, the acne was coming back in like a week. So we are going to keep using this probably for the rest of my life. I feel like I want to go mute now because I'm getting tired. By the way, it's only 7:30, but I literally go to sleep at 9. I'm a naturally early riser, and like today I literally woke up at 5:30, and I cannot sleep in. Like my body, at least at this stage, does not know how to sleep in. So if I want sleep, I just have to go to sleep early. Like I try to go to sleep, like I'd love to go to sleep at like 9:30. There's been times I've literally fallen asleep at 8. But I try to fall asleep, like actually sleep, not just in bed, no later than 10. But I think it's really important to wind your body down well in advance before you go to bed. Like it doesn't work for me to just rush back from Pilates class, shower, and get in bed and fall asleep. Like that's not gonna work. I need like an hour to just lay there, call my boyfriend, read a book, whatever it is. This is my personal sanctuary. Suddenly life feels right again. I always need a little lip. I am seriously so comfortable right now. Like my legs are like tingling. It feels so good to lay down. I also just have an extremely comfortable bed. Like I'm not biased. My boyfriend said it, my sister said it, and my mom said it. Like my mom literally got on my bed and she's like, it feels like it's massaging my body. And I'm like, I know, like it's so comfortable. I'm just so grateful. Anyways, I can feel myself getting tired, which is a good thing. It means I'm winding down and I'm probably gonna sleep fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like seriously, I'm so excited to be challenging myself to post once a week. I think it's going to be super fun and a really cool way to engage with people. As always, if you haven't got enough of me, I love TikTok and Instagram too. Instagram is like my holy grail for my day-to-day aesthetics. Like I literally find everything in life aesthetic. My boyfriend's like, Olivia, this like apple sitting on the counter is not aesthetic, and I'm like, yes, I need a photo of this. I need a photo of every palm tree in LA. On TikTok, I talk. You get to see me talk more on here, but I talk for like a minute on TikTok. I also do like a lot of good morning aesthetics, makeup, skincare, things like that. Just every day I'll be posting on TikTok, so find me there. Otherwise, I will literally see you next weekend. Okay, bye.